everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you the review of this Facious Canada Weightless Matte Finish Foundation. So I have some pros and cons about this foundation, and I have been using this foundation since last 2 weeks. So I think that I can share a proper review of this foundation in my channel now. So if you are interested to know about the foundation and how I like it or not, and whether you should buy it or not, and the prices and all the other properties of this foundation will be in this video. So if you are interested to know all that, please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, before I say anything about this foundation, I want to give a little bit disclaimer that if some product is not suiting on my skin, it doesn't mean that it will not suit in anyone else's skin. So I will not say that this is not suiting on my skin, but okay, I will tell you in a bit. So let me first tell the claims which the foundation has. So it is suitable for all skin types, and this is not comedogenic, so it will not clog your pores. And this has ultra blendable and comfortable texture which is light on your skin, and this is also dermatologically tested. But trust me guys, I have tried so many foundations till now, whether it is affordable or expensive, but this time I am really very disappointed with this foundation because I don't even think that this is a foundation. I mean, what is it guys? Even the BB creams I have used gives a nice finish, better than this at least. So it doesn't have any sort of coverage guys, not a bit. I mean guys, I don't even have dark circles or lots of blemishes, and also I don't have hyperpigmentation. But since I don't like this foundation at all because the coverage it gives is just nothing. Because I have small patches on my skin, the pimple spots actually, it doesn't even cover those. So guys, I am really thankful to God that I didn't buy the bigger version of this. So I think that was a 30 ml of product, and this is 18 ml, the mini version of it. So this is really very travel friendly because it is just very small, and the price of this is really affordable. But what does it mean if you don't get any sort of coverage? I mean, if you apply a BB plus or even if you apply a compact powder, you will get a sort of coverage, I mean, better than this one. Trust me guys, this don't give any sort of coverage. I mean, I have applied this foundation so many times since last 2 weeks. I have been trying this one, and I have tried this with primer, without primer, with moisturizer, sunscreen, with concealers, with loose powders, compact powders. I have tried and tested this foundation in every possible way because I really wanted to make this work. Because Facious Canada is a really very good brand, because I have tried other products from Facious Canada and I love them. I really have high expectation of this product, but I am really very disappointed guys. I am not bashing it, but it definitely didn't work for me. So I don't know whether it is going to work for you or not. I mean, if you have really very light skin and if you don't have any sort of spots or dark patches on your skin, then maybe this can work for you. But if you have, I mean, a slightly darker skin, and if you have spots and blemishes and dark circles, oh my god guys, this is not going to work for you for sure. So guys, this foundation have 8 shades in this range. So I have picked the 03 beige one. So the color of this foundation is close to my skin. I have picked the right shade I think, but it don't give any coverage to be honest. So I don't know, it's up to you whether you want to buy it or not, because it claims that it is sheer to medium coverage, but I don't think it even gives a sheer coverage. I mean, a compact powder gives a better coverage than this for sure, because I have also tried to build it up twice or thrice, but the result is zero guys. So that is it for today, and if you want to buy, then I am going to share the links I found of this in my description box below. By the way, I have buy it from purple.com, and this is also available in Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon, everywhere. so you can buy it if you want. I will share the links of this product in my description box below, so if you want you can have a look. So that is it for today guys. If you like this video and found this useful, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that bell notification button next to it, so whenever I upload such videos you will get notified. And also comment down below what you think of my videos, and if you have any further suggestions for me, please let me know in the comment section below. I will love to know that. And also follow me on Instagram, and if you are not following me there, what are you doing guys? Please go and follow me there, because I share some amazing pictures and some live updates there, so you may like those also. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe and stay tuned. Bye bye guys.